Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the JBL Charge 6 speaker and I'm going to tell you what is this triangle button on our speaker. So, as you might think, no, it's not equalizer, it's not something like that. This is a button, and with this button we can enter the stereo pairing mode, and if we click on that button we can enter pairing mode to pair with the other this type of speaker. For example, if I want to pair two JBL Charge 6 speakers with each other to make the stereo sound, I do have to click this button here on my first speaker and the second speaker, and then I can pair. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.